and I upgraded to 280 shield capacity, but there's only 6 stars underneath. What does that mean? Did I like upgrade the wrong thing?
I think, does yours say damaged on it? Does it say if it's a damaged redirection?
It doesn't say damaged.
Operator, I hope you are comfortable.
Yeah, the redirection should have 10 ranks to it.
Yeah, how do I get to 10 ranks? I just keep upgrading it? Is that...
Oh yeah, you definitely want to keep upgrading it. I mean, it's going to get more expensive every time you upgrade it, but you definitely want to get that to like rank 5 or 6 or something around there. That's where it starts to, once you get it to like 6, that's where it really starts getting expensive to upgrade. We totally forgot to do the potato blue alert. Dang it.
Oh, I could use that too.
Yeah, I forgot I only had an hour. I was hoping one of my buddies could get on, and that's why I didn't run it. But I just looked at the alerts, and it's now gone.
Tomorrow I have my rhino, which is awesome.
Sorry to hear that, buddy.
I heard something about that was awesome.
Yes. I don't know.
I almost just want to get him to join TG as a forum contributor so we can use TeamSpeak.
Right. I just upgraded a bunch of rare mods. I'm out of those thingies.
Out of fusion cores?
Yeah.
Yep.
Operator, you have remembered well how the Tenno arm themselves.
Okay, now I see the thing. Now it's working. I just have to be
So
close.
fusing
I'm gonna turn this volume down.
gets more, I guess, experience than using a core, right?
Your job is to distract the enemy while a fellow Tenno operative raids the ship for much-needed supplies. Make your presence known.
Okay, what's better, to fuse with its own mod or to use a fusion core? Does fusing with its own mod, the same mod, give more?
If you can, when you're fusing, use the mod itself. Use like duplicates of that mod.
Just more efficient?
They've turned off critical
Yep.
life support systems.
Second best bet's to use
suspected
fusion
enemy
cores
charges.
and common fusion
High for
cores.
support.
If you can't do any of that, then you can always just use other mods. Just try make sure that they're the same polarity symbols. That whole like V and D and line and all that stuff. Just make sure those symbols match. Otherwise, you are just going to be throwing your credits in the trash pretty much.
I did not know that. What are we doing here?
Survival for 10 minutes. This is to get a plasma sword blueprint, which you might not have.
Life support on the way.
Greg, this is a perfect spot to defend. I got a turret here. It's awesome.
Nice.
I've delivered another life support capsule.
This is really cool.
That should keep you going for a while.
Pa-da-pum, pa-da-pum.
Tenno, prepare for life support. Another life support capsule is now available. Life support has been replenished.
He says the map's cheesy.
User joined your channel.
Hey, user.
Is that Briscoe deck? Maybe.
Get ready for a capsule.
Might be.
Ooh, rare mod.
Rare mod.
Additional life support has arrived.
Can I only use a replacement once?
No, unless it gets destroyed.
It's not destroyed, it just won't let me use it.
I'm on a runner.
Are you guys doing something right now?
Frames of war.
We are rocking the frame of war, as he just said.
Sick beans, can you hear me right, or is it
Yes.
kind of weird?
Yeah, I can hear you now.
Fantastic.
And I might have just recruited a new person for TG just for Warframe.
Heck yeah.
I kind of just befriended him the other day.
Is the second turret broken or something? I can't use
Hold
it.
on, he's talking. It might have been destroyed. Is this one right here? I think it has like a, I don't know. Maltic, he was having an issue getting them back onto his the second time, so it could be a bug or something.
Is it someone you know, or
Another life support capsule.
what?
No, I just I was on
Here we go.
I was on wanting to do like a trade or something, and I was just paying attention to the chat,
Oh.
and I saw somebody ask, "How do I form of something?" And so I was like, "Oh, it's a newbie," and nobody responded to him in the chat, so I sent him a message, and I eventually just started to keep helping him out and telling him like how polarities work and how this and that works and how Syndicate works and how Arcwing works. I was just answering him, you know, everything that this game does that, you know, it doesn't explain, that we all had to learn the hard way. And so I told him he can just add me on his friends list. And I got sick and tired of using the in-game chat, so I was like, dude, just here, I'm part of this thing called TG. We got a thing called TeamSpeak, and it works a lot better than the in-game chat quality does.
Ooh, another rare mod.
Yeah, another rare fusion core just dropped. It's pretty convenient.
I like this turret.
Capsule.
And if Maltic gets his shiznit together, he can get those two buddies of his that he got into Warframe to join TG as a foreign contributor.
Right? That'd be nice.
I mean, there's no test that they have to take. They don't have to do the boot camp for foreign contributor, so it's incredibly easy.
I just got the Ember suit, and this thing is it looks funny.
Oh, Ember? Yeah, she's pretty cool looking.
Oh crap! That is on fire. That is a girl suit.
Yeah, she is. Yeah, you got boobs. You sex changer, you.
Oh, that's nasty.
It's okay. One of the most recent Warframe that they just added to the game, when what it does is it's the yin and yang frame, so it has like a one form and then another form. It's the night form and the day form, and when you switch between them, it also switches the gender. It goes from male for the day form and night for the female for the night form. And so people, when they discovered this in the live stream, they called it the Bruce Jenner frame.
That's amazing.
And the people on the Digital Extremes, the developers, when they saw that, they started cracking up, and they were like, "Oh man, we're probably gonna get so much trouble for laughing at that, but we don't care."
How long do the drops stay here before?
Things like resources and mods stay out forever, but all of things like health orbs, energy orbs, ammo, that kind of stuff, it just depends on how much other stuff is dropping. So with me doing my Necros crap, which makes it loot a lot of enemies like twice, stuff doesn't stay out very long. But like I said, mods will be out forever.
Raid is off to a successful start.
And now we head to the extraction
Go to
point.
extraction.
Yeah, the whole reason we were doing this was it was an alert for a sword blueprint. The plasma sword. Pretty decent sword.
He's not going towards the end.
Never leave a man behind.
Really, it's so buggy. Wait, maybe I guess someone that's on the slope.
Oh, and you're down as well. What the? You son of a biscuit.
Bombs.
Life support activated.
Alright, Briscoe deck, we are almost done in this one.
Alright, I'm doing a thing right now. This Ember suit, I straight up forgot how little health and
Oh yeah, she's a
I've
glass
got.
cannon.
Oh my gosh, I just got destroyed.
Yeah, same with Nyx.
Another job.
I think
well
Mace is